Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to register Oyster card online. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So we'll be able to view the steps for registering your Oyster card online. So first thing we need to do here is we need to go to google.com and we need to basically search for a very specific keyword because we'll be accessing a link there. Now in this case, you could go ahead and copy the title of this page here and just enter the following keywords and just press on enter. Now from here, you should see a link for transport for London here. So go ahead and open up the link for tfl.gov.uk. Now from here, once you open it up, it's going to request you to verify yourself. So go ahead and verify that you're human, and from there you should be able to see the next page. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to scroll down a bit until we see the option or section here that says register your Oyster card. Now in this case, if you wish to be eligible for refunds or your payments, or if you add a credit or a discount to your Oyster card, it is essential to complete the registration process. Now failure to register your card may result in a loss of a pay-as-you-go credit, travel card, or bus and tram pass without the possibility of a refund. Now, to register your card, you must set up a contactless and Oyster account. Now, please note that the visitor Oyster cards are not eligible for registration. Now, if you are transferring your credit or discount to a new Oyster card, take at least one journey with the new card and wait 24 hours and then log in to your contactless and Oyster account and use the password you provided when adding the discount to your old card during this process. Now in this case, for you to register your Oyster card, just click on the link here that you see. Go ahead and click on contactless and Oyster account here. Now from here, you'll be redirected to their next page here, wherein you'll be able to basically create your account, and from there, just follow the steps and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.